Hi and welcome everyone. DevOps, QA, support. Some of the most common tech roles may vanish or evolve beyond recognition in just 24 months. And this isn't about budget cuts. This is about AI replacing entire workflows that once required entire teams. If you're in one of these roles, you've probably already felt the shift. But here's the opportunity. While some jobs are shrinking, new ones are emerging with even greater potential. In this video, I'll break down 5 tech roles AI is replacing, and then 3 future-proof careers you should be preparing for right now. 5 tech roles AI will replace. First is DevOps engineers. The irony is striking. Automation experts are now being automated. I can write deployment scripts, fix pipeline failures, and optimize cloud infrastructure in real time. What used to take hours for a team of engineers can now be done in minutes. Instead of 5 DevOps engineers, companies may soon need 1 platform engineer who supervises AI-driven systems. The role isn't disappearing, but shifting from manual work to higher-level strategy. Second, entry-level software engineers. I can now generate production-ready code from plain English prompts. The need for juniors who only handle simple coding tasks is dropping sharply. Companies that used to hire several entry-level developers now prefer 1 or 2 skilled engineers who understand architecture and business logic while leveraging AI tools. The entry barrier has risen significantly. Third, manual QA testers. Traditional testing is being overhauled by AI platforms that can run thousands of test cases in hours, learning application behavior and even creating new test scenarios on their own. The repetitive role of manual tester is fading, but it's transforming into QA architect, someone who designs testing strategies that guide AI, instead of running scripts by hand. Fourth, technical support. AI chatbots can already solve about 70% of common IT issues instantly, from password resets to configuration problems. Some companies have reduced their support teams by more than half, retraining the remaining staff to handle complex, high-value problems while AI deals with the routine. Fifth, basic data analyst. If your work mainly involves pulling reports and building dashboards, AI can now do it faster and more comprehensively. The real value lies in interpreting results, telling the story behind the numbers, and guiding decisions. The job has moved from data gathering to insight generation. 3 future-proof careers. Now let's talk about the opportunities. While those 5 roles are shrinking, 3 career paths are rapidly growing in demand. The first is cloud engineering. As companies race to build AI applications, they need experts who can architect intelligent cloud systems. This is no longer just about deploying servers, it's about designing AI-powered infrastructure using tools like AWS SageMaker, Azure AI, and Google Vertex AI. The second is AI solution architecture. These professionals connect business problems with AI capabilities, turning ideas into real, responsible solutions. Companies are paying salary premiums of up to 40% for people who can design and deliver AI systems that create measurable impact. The third is prompt engineering and AI training. This isn't just about writing clever prompts for chatbots, it's about fine-tuning models for industries like healthcare, finance, or law. Specialists who can train AI for highly specific contexts will be critical in the next decade. So, what should you do right now to future-proof your career? Start with an honest skills audit. Look at your current role and ask yourself which parts of it could already be automated by AI. Next, start using AI tools daily. If you're a developer, integrate Copilot. If you're in DevOps, experiment with AI monitoring. The goal is not to replace yourself, but to become the person who knows how to use these tools effectively. Then, double down on uniquely human strengths: complex problem-solving, cross-functional communication, and strategic thinking. These are the areas where humans still dominate. Finally, commit to continuous learning. Dedicate time each week to building AI-related skills. The companies hiring tomorrow aren't looking for experts in yesterday's technology. They want people ready to help them navigate what's next. Every major technological shift has closed some doors and opened others. The printing press ended the role of scribes but created publishers. The internet disrupted retail but gave rise to e-commerce and digital marketing. AI is following the same pattern. The 5 roles we've discussed today aren't disappearing entirely, they're transforming. And the professionals who thrive will be those who embrace AI as the most powerful tool ever created to amplify human potential. So here's the question: how is AI already reshaping your work? Share your story in the comments. If you like our video, do subscribe, like and share as a motivation for us to produce more videos.